We're learning one of the most important things that maybe data analysts need if you work on the last file and you need to transfer the data from the last file into the Excel sheet. So I'm going to show you the easiest way you can do that. So for example, if you have this last file, you see Ctrl A to select all the data, and then Ctrl C, you copy the data, you go for Excel, you give them Ctrl V. So now we have all the data, but if you can see the data is mixed up, is not representing the depth, and here the sales wall is not representing, and if you click on this you see the data is mixed up, is not separated by the column. And to fix this issue, all you have to go for you just click on the first column, any column, the first column, you click on it, and then you go for data, from data text to column. So text to column, you will try to, we go for the delimiter who will separate each column depending on the space on the column. So if we see so we have the depth, we have the CCL, but it's not separated by a comma, it's separated by space. So depending on the data that you have, if you see the data you have is separated by comma, then you have to separate it by comma, but if it's a space, then it's by space, and you click next, and then it's finished. So now you will see all the data as well sorted for each column, so be one by one. And then if you need to delete this above, you just click Ctrl on that, and then you delete all the data, and then you delete it, and now you have very well sorted data. This is, you change it from the this is from Excel, from last file to Excel sheet, is very most important things. So we'll keep learning how to clean our data, how to transfer our data. So please give me a subscribe and leave comment if you have any questions.